To the right of, well, to the left of Sunflower Lodge, if you're looking out at the lake, you have got Kingfisher Lodge. Now this is one of our 3-bedroom lodges, so this sleeps either 3 singles or 3 couples. So it's a 3-bedroom lodge. It's got its own personal jetty here, which I'll just go out and show you. So here we are, and here's the decking to Kingfisher. So you've got 2 gates, one there and one there to fish from. Some people do find it a tad high, so that's why we've incorporated the low jetties, so gives you a bit of freedom and a bit of choice to fish from. So these are a bit different inside to the new ones, such as Lavender and Sunflower, because these are a bit more of a rustic vibe. So these have got the log burners, and it's a bit more rustic feel. Excuse my camera work. I'll just get round there. Free wood and kindling. So that's just a typical cosy fisherman's lodge. So there you go.